Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 18 July 2018, 19 of hour, 12 of minute and 25 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how much do locksmiths make in Texas? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how much do locksmiths make in Texas is. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how much do locksmiths make in Texas. Average locksmith yearly salary in Texas. Locksmiths earn a median salary of $39,650 per year. Salaries typically start from $24,410 and go up to $61,580. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.